Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my mini mystery box of awesome, one of my favorite monthly subscriptions where everything is completely random in here. And I noticed on the front, I think this is new. If you text the word secret to that number, it says you get access to one secret deal per day. That's kind of cool. And it's new. I don't remember seeing that before. So just wanted to note that. Jackson's here with me. Go ahead and pull it out. Oh, is that some kind of calendar?
Yeah, we got a calendar for me.
Let's see, it's a dry erase. Message board is a peel and stick one. So it looks like it has a plain one just for like notes and then a calendar one. That's pretty cool.
I have that one.
Yeah, we could put that in your room.
I like it.
You could write all your important dates. That's pretty cool.
I could write people's birthdays.
You could. Apply to smooth, clean, and dry surface. Huh. That is pretty cool. I like that. Let's go ahead and open it. It looks like it's comes with a little marker.
I found the marker.
We'll have to lay this under something so it can flatten out, but yeah, that's neat. And then you could erase it every month and then redo it. It's not specific to the year or anything like that. I know, that's cool. So that was the first thing in there.
Oh, that has like little spiders.
Let's see what else we got. Pull one in.
I feel.
Oh yeah, that's our little paper. There's always like a word search, little brain teasers in there. So we got that.
That's mine.
Okay, what else we got? Let's see.
Oh, it's Patty.
A knit hat. Therma for extra warmth and comfort. Fleece line. One size fits most. Yeah, oh, that's soft. Feel that, Jackson. I like that. That's cute.
My side.
Cute. Very useful. Is there anything else in here? Oh, looks like there's one more thing. What is that?
A squishy dinosaur.
A squishy dinosaur. Jackson, like most kids, are obsessed with little squishy things. Let's see what this says here.
Oh, squishy.
Box of goodies. That just seems really cool. They have like a snack box. So let's go ahead and open this. It's got one of the little netted things in there, so when you squeeze it, oh my god, that's so fun. I'm easily amused by stuff like this. So even if I didn't have kids, I would be excited about this. He had one of these. He got out of like a 25-cent machine, one of just the inner parts, and it busted, and he was so sad because he spent his allowance on it. Cool. So that's what we got this month. Useful stuff. Definitely use the calendar. Jackson likes the toy. You could always use one of these. So if you guys are interested, I'll have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.